I'm going to be putting together a wonderful crab dip. I have 2 ounces of cream cheese here and it's softened. And then I'm going to start adding all of the other ingredients. To the cream cheese, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of water, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add about a 1/2 tablespoon of chopped green onions. You can put however many you would like. Using my mixer, I'm going to mix these together, and now we're going to add in our crab meat. You can use real or imitation crab meat. If you use the real thing, just make sure you check it carefully for shells. And now we'll just fold the crab meat in. We don't want to break it up into tiny little pieces. We want it to be recognizable as crab meat after all. You can also add finely chopped celery or finely grated onion to this. You could add small chopped peppers if you would like to add peppers as well. Whatever you would like. And there it is. It's all mixed together. And now we're going to put it in a nice bowl with a lid. And here is our crab dip ready to cover and put in the refrigerator to chill. This crab dip is absolutely delicious. It's perfect for special occasions or any day of the week. I hope you give this a try and realize just how delicious and tasty it is. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.